Aloha, new to the news team, Malachi, here with your dates and deeds for all the important things happening at our campus.
The Infinity Gauntlet of the third trimester continues at a breakneck pace.
SBA testing continues this week, but several grades are close to finishing. Strong work, young Avengers.
Keep pedaling those success cycles and remember to test, not to stress.
Congratulations to another successful concert under the stars. The news team would like to extend a big Kaʻōhao mahalo to everyone that helped make this star-studded event a big success.
The happenings on our happening campus keep on coming. Congratulations to our second graders for this year's annual performance and production of their folktale plays. Hopefully, our new director, Mr. Brad, was able to suit up to record the performance for our YouTube channel. That's good content.
Speaking of good content, the first grade Young Avengers will be putting a performance of their own this Wednesday on stage in the field. Break a leg out there and bow proudly to Odin's thunderous applause. It's no longer new to the news team, Malachi signing off.
So long, diddums!
All right, one more time, Malachi.